Welcome to the Regal People Podcast, where we shine a spotlight on inspiring stories, innovative projects, and transformative initiatives within the Black community. I am your host, Exclusive Yusuf, and today we're diving deep into the 124th National Black Business Conference held under the theme, We Are Together. This conference set to take place from August 21st to the 25th, 2024 at the Hilton, Atlanta, Georgia, is a beacon of unity, resilience, and the vibrant spirit of Black entrepreneurship. Year is particularly special as we also celebrate the 40th anniversary of the World Conference of Mayors. Let's explore the exciting projects and initiatives that will be showcased at this remarkable event. The National Black Business Conference is a significant gathering that brings together leaders, entrepreneurs, and visionaries from across the globe. This year, the theme We Are Together embodies the spirit of collaboration and collective empowerment. The conference is presented by the National Business League, the National Black Chamber of Commerce, and the World Conference of Mayors, organizations dedicated to advancing Black entrepreneurship and community development. The 40th anniversary of the World Conference of Mayors is a milestone that honors the enduring legacy of Black mayoral leadership, its pivotal role in economic development. The celebration is not just a reflection on the past, but a commitment to future progress and unity. One of the key players at this conference is the New Future Foundation, which is initiating several transformative projects dedicated to peace building and sustainable economic development across Africa. At the conference, New Future Foundation charter will be signed, marking a formal initiation of the foundation. Let's delve into some of their groundbreaking projects. First up, we have the Made in Africa campaign. This initiative aims to empower local artisans by providing opportunities to showcase their craftsmanship and traditional skills. It's not just about economic empowerment, but also culture preservation. By highlighting traditional art forms and techniques, this campaign celebrates Africa's rich cultural heritage. The Made in Africa campaign also seeks to open broader markets for African artisan products, both locally, internationally, fostering community development and promoting fair trade practices. Another exciting project is the International Hemp Co-op. This initiative focuses on the sustainable cultivation and processing of hemp, partnering with local farmers and international stakeholders. The goal is to enhance local economies, promote environmental sustainability, and provide training and resources to farmers. Hemp is a versatile, eco-friendly crop, and this co-op aims to leverage its potential to create jobs and support sustainable farming practices. The Carl Brewer Aviation Institute is another standout initiative dedicated to providing top-tier aviation education and training to underrepresented communities by offering scholarships, state-of-the-art facilities, and partnerships with leading aviation companies. The Institute aims to create opportunities for students from low-income backgrounds to enter the aviation industry. The Coon Academy is designed to improve the engine of the world economy by fostering self-awareness, identifying key community issues, and creating fundable solutions. The Academy focuses on growing robust supply chains, offering comprehensive training programs, and providing accessible online courses to articulate community dreams and visions. West End CDE Incorporated is a financial intermediary and new markets venture capital company specializing in crowd-funded block development, business development, and investments in low-income communities. Their mission is to promote economic and environmental sustainability, build vibrant neighborhoods, and provide superior returns for investors through comprehensive strategies and careful execution. Lastly, Global Greenology is committed to creating eco-efficient and resilient communities. Their smart green city ecosystem concept integrates nature, technology, and human needs to achieve balance and sustainability. From eco-friendly housing to innovative power generation and flood protection solutions, Global Greenology is at the forefront of promoting a cleaner, greener society. An integral part of this conference is the Water Summit, addressing critical water challenges in Africa and the United States. This summit will bring together technologists, engineers, inventors, and funders to develop and fund innovative solutions for water security and sustainability. The objectives of the Water Summit include identifying critical water issues, showcasing cutting-edge technologies, facilitating collaboration, discussing funding mechanisms, and promoting sustainable water management practices. Key activities will feature expert panels, innovation showcases, networking sessions, and funding discussions. Expected outcomes of the Water Summit are the development of actionable plans to address water challenges, the formation of strategic partnerships, and increased awareness of sustainable water management among stakeholders. This summit is a vital platform for driving forward impactful water projects that can transform communities. The 124th National Black Business Conference will feature keynote speakers who are influential leaders and visionaries in Black entrepreneurship and community development. Workshops and breakout sessions will cover a wide range of topics, including innovative business strategies and foster economic empowerment. There will be numerous networking opportunities to engage with fellow business leaders, professionals, and elected officials, allowing attendees to forge strategic partnerships and collaborations. As we celebrate unity, resilience, and the vibrant spirit of Black entrepreneurship, we invite financial institutions, funding partners, businesses, and traditional chiefs in Africa to join us at this monumental event. Together, we can create lasting positive change and drive economic growth within our communities. That's all for today's episode of the Regal People Podcast. I appreciate you so much for joining us as we explore the exciting initiatives and events of the 124th National Black Business Conference. We look forward to seeing you in Atlanta from August 21st to the 25th, 2024, as we come together to celebrate unity, resilience, and the vibrant spirit of the Black entrepreneurship. Y'all do me one big favor. Hit the like button and subscribe. And for more information on the Black Business Conference, hit the link below. Until next time, I'm your host, Exclusive Yusuf, and this is Regal People Podcast. Stay inspired and stay united.